Students, let us discuss today the MCQs of chapter number 1, that is getting started. So first MCQ is of chapter number 1, computer is an dash device. Electric device, electronic device, mechanical device, optical device or electronic. So right answer here is option B, electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. Second is computer can be used to play games, listen music, watch movies or all of the above. So computer can be used to do all these things rather than these many more others. So here the right option is all of the above. Now see, this is the picture of the keyboard. So keyboard is input device, output device, processing device or memory device. So keyboard is an input device. Option A is the right option. Keyboard is used to, again, what is the function of this keyboard? It is used to type numbers and letters, give instructions, give commands or all of the above. So this keyboard is used to do all these functions. It can be used to type numbers and letters by pressing that particular key, to give instructions, give commands. So here the right option is option D, all of the above. Now see, this is the picture of monitor. Computer screen is known as TV, monitor, speaker or printer. So this type of device, we call it monitor. It looks like a TV screen. Question number 6 is, it displays whatever we type. Now see, this is the monitor. Whatever we type from the keyboard, that appears on this. So it displays whatever we type: monitor, keyboard, printer or mouse. Here the right option is monitor. Monitor displays whatever we print on whatever we type from the keyboard. Now next question is, the process of switching on the computer is called start, shutdown, play or booting. So it is booting. The process of switching on the computer is known as booting. Now this is also known as pointing device. See, this device is also known as pointing device. Options are keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer. So here the right option is mouse. Mouse is also known as pointing device. Now this mouse is easy to use, increases speed, reduces error or all of the above. Yes, here the right answer is all of the above. As the mouse is easy to use, it increases speed and makes selection easier. It reduces the task of remembering as well as typing the commands. So it reduces the errors. So here the right option is all of the above. Now, which among these are the mouse button? See, this is mouse. It is having 3 buttons: left button, right button and scroll button. Okay. So question is, which among these are the mouse button? Left mouse button, right mouse button, scroll button or all of the above? So here the answer is all of the above. It is known as the brain of the computer. Now which part is known as the brain of the computer? Keyboard, mouse, CPU or printer? It is CPU. Keyboard is input device, mouse is input device, CPU is processing device. Every processing is done inside the CPU, so it is the brain of the computer, and printer is an output device. The CPU contains on button, off button, restart button, or all of the above. A CPU contains all these three buttons: on button, off button, and restart button. So here the right option is all of the above. So next question is VDU stands for, again this monitor is also known as VDU. Okay, so VDU stands for vertical display unit, virtual display unit, visual display unit, or all of the above. Here the VDU stands for visual display unit. Now booting means switching on the computer, switching off the computer, stand by the computer, or none of the above. So booting means switching on the computer. Already we have discussed in another way what is the switching on procedure known as booting. Now the same question in different form. Booting means switching on the computer. Basic operation performed by the CPU are arithmetic operation, logical operation, storage operation, or all of the above. So CPU performs all of the above, arithmetic operation also, logical operation also, and during the running of the program, during the execution of the program, the commands are stored, the data is stored. So it is used for storage also. So right answer is all of the above. Printer is a dash device. Now see, this is a printer. It is used to take outputs, printed out outputs, hard copy of the output. So printer is a input device, output device, processing device, or storage device. So printer is an output device. Memory unit is used to feed input, get result, store data, or all of the above. So memory unit is used to store data. Single click is used to select, open, draw, or all of the above. So when we single click a mouse, it is used to select a particular device, particular file or operation. The mouse button used to open a special menu is left button, right button, scroll button, or all of the above. So the mouse button used to open a special menu is right mouse button. And I have not written answer here. Answer of question number 19 is right mouse button. Okay. So which of the following is not a part of CPU? Last question of this session. ALU, CU, memory, or keyboard. So विच ऑफ दीज इज़ नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ CPU? CPU का कौन सी डिवाइसेस में पार्ट नहीं है? ALU, CU, memory, MU, these are the parts of CPU, and keyboard here is an input device. So the device which is used to, which is not a part of CPU is memory here. Okay, so till the time you revise this question, I will send the question of next chapter also.